In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate. Today, we are going to talk about something that is not just important, but obligatory in Islam. Learning. Did you know that the very first revelation sent to our beloved Prophet Muhammad was not about prayer, not about fasting, but about reading? Read. This powerful command marks the beginning of Islam's deep connection with knowledge. Allah says in the Qur'an, "Read in the name of your Lord who created." This shows us that learning is not just a worldly act. It is an act of worship when done for the sake of Allah. The Prophet Muhammad said, "Seeking knowledge is an obligation upon every Muslim." Not some Muslims. Not only scholars. Every Muslim. This includes you. This includes me. But what kind of knowledge? First and foremost, knowledge of our Deen. Understanding the Qur'an. Learning how to pray properly. Knowing what is halal and haram. Without this knowledge, how can we truly follow Islam? Imagine trying to worship Allah without knowing how. Would your salah be correct? Would your fasting be accepted? That's why learning is not optional, it is mandatory. And Islam doesn't stop at religious knowledge. The Prophet encouraged beneficial knowledge that helps humanity. Whether it's science, medicine, or technology, if your intention is to benefit others and please Allah, it becomes worship. Every step you take to gain knowledge, every page you read, every lecture you listen to, Allah is rewarding you. The Prophet said, "Whoever follows a path in pursuit of knowledge, Allah will make a path to paradise easy for him." So ask yourself today, am I making an effort to learn my Deen? Am I growing in knowledge? Or staying the same? Because the difference between guidance and misguidance often begins with knowledge. Start small. Learn one ayah, one hadith, one ruling. But start today. Because in Islam, learning is not just important, it is mandatory. If this reminder benefited you, share it with others so they too can gain reward.